All right, this is help with question number 14, homework 7.4, log properties. A couple thoughts right off the bat with it. One, the base is x, which is a little bit goofy, but remember that that really is not going to affect the question. So if you want to ignore that when you're doing your steps and stuff, and then just know you're going to have a base x in your answer, that'd be a decent approach to it. The second thought is I would start on the inside and work my way out. Okay, so on this particular question, that's a plus. So we can end up multiplying the two parts. So we'd be 4 times y inside the parentheses there. And again, I probably wouldn't even do the base x here, but I guess I included it, so I'll keep going that route. And then from there, I've got 2 more logs, and I'm going to divide them because of the subtract. But before that step, we want to deal with the numbers in front, and they can basically become exponents. So I'm going to move up this 1/2 up here and move up the 3 up here. So that it becomes log, and I'm going to drop the x at this point. So we have 4y to the 1/2 minus log of z cubed. Okay, and then as before, basically now it's 2 logs subtracted, so I'm going to write it as a single log. Okay, and I'm going to divide the two parts. So we're going to have 4y, that whole quantity to the 1/2 power, over z cubed. Okay, and so I'm going to look over my answer choices here, right? And I don't know, it's probably not one of these because we're going to write it as like a single log like this. And then I think the tricky part is this 1/2 is like a square root, right? So it sort of applies to both of these. So I think the cleaned up answer that they're looking for on this one is if you do the square root of 4, it's 2. So I have 2, and then y is still to the 1/2 power because the 1/2 applies to both those things in the parentheses, and we still have z cubed on the bottom, right? So I think the most cleaned up best answer would look something like that. All right. This one's pretty close to it. Just y doesn't have the 1/2 power, but I think this is going to be the right answer. So that's a pretty tricky one, but hopefully that helps you out. Thanks.